We live in a world of metals. Metals are all around us. We use them to build cars, planes, and buildings. We use them to make tools, appliances, and electronics. Metals are strong and durable, but sometimes we need them to be even stronger. That's where plasma nitriding comes in. Plasma nitriding is a process that makes metals harder, stronger, and more resistant to wear and tear. It's like giving metals a suit of armor. Plasma nitriding is used in a wide range of industries, from automotive to aerospace to medical. The process involves infusing the surface of a metal with nitrogen. This creates a thin layer of iron nitrides on the surface of the metal, which is extremely hard and wear-resistant. It's a fascinating process that has revolutionized the way we use metals. Plasma is often called the fourth state of matter. We all know about solids, liquids, and gases, but plasma is different. Plasma is a gas that carries an electrical charge. You can find plasma in lightning, neon signs, and even the sun. In plasma nitriding, we create a plasma inside a chamber. The metal parts to be treated are placed inside the chamber. The chamber is then filled with a mixture of nitrogen and hydrogen gases. An electrical voltage is applied to the gas, which causes it to become ionized and form a plasma. The plasma nitriding process can be broken down into a few key steps. First, the metal parts are cleaned and prepared for treatment. This usually involves degreasing and sometimes a light etching process. Once the parts are clean, they are loaded into the plasma nitriding chamber. The chamber is then evacuated of air and backfilled with the nitrogen-hydrogen gas mixture. The electrical voltage is applied and the plasma is ignited. The nitrogen ions in the plasma bombard the surface of the metal. This bombardment causes nitrogen atoms to diffuse into the surface of the metal, forming the hard iron nitride layer. After the desired treatment time, the chamber is cooled down and the parts are removed. The plasma nitriding process is complete, and the treated parts are ready to be used in their intended applications. Plasma nitriding has a wide range of applications in various industries. It's used to improve the performance and lifespan of everything from car engines to airplane parts. For example, plasma nitriding is used to harden the surfaces of gears, shafts, and other components used in automotive transmissions. This helps to reduce wear and tear, extending the life of the transmission. In the aerospace industry, plasma nitriding is used to treat components such as turbine blades and landing gear. These parts are subjected to extreme temperatures and stresses, and plasma nitriding helps to improve their resistance to wear, fatigue, and corrosion. Plasma nitriding is a versatile and effective surface treatment technology that offers numerous benefits over traditional methods. Its ability to enhance the properties of metals is invaluable in a wide range of industries, contributing to the development of more durable, reliable, and high-performance products.